hella fucking cold. I might cause a fucking blizzard. Ice captain, ice wizard. Dresses like I'm finna fish your bitch. Tryna come with, damn.
What's going on, ladies and gents? Mostly gents. 345 Trill here, aka 345 Sleeper as the originator. Back it again with another video, and in today's video we're gonna be going over the stuff that I have already done to my car, and then we're gonna be going over the stuff that I'm gonna be doing to my car in the future. No further ado, let's get into the video with the cold start. So from the last video, like I said, it's not much that's been done other than me getting 4-inch tips. In the last video that y'all watched, it was 2.5-inch tips that was on here, but I swapped them out to 4-inch tips, and in the future, the near future, I'm gonna be swapping them out to 5-inch tips. But yes, I had got 4-inch tips, 4-inch resonator tips with the rear delete. I don't know if y'all be able to see it, but yes. Cut out the rears and replace the mids with Dynomax mini bullets, and then I got, like I said, 4-inch tips and this aftermarket night rear diffuser for XXTs and RTs. And then as far as engine wise, like I said, nothing other than the Mopar coater intake, but I also got me a oil separator, J&L OSC. Very good. Really don't gotta change the filter. Honestly, it's recommended you don't change the filter in these. All you have to do is just dump the debris and the leftover oil that's usually going into your intake and everything else. It'll usually go into here. And whenever you change your oil, me personally, I decide to change my oil every 3,000 miles. Some people like to go a little longer than that. Me, I don't. But whenever I change it every 3,000 miles, it's usually like either halfway or like a quarter. It's never full. I don't want it to get it full. But overall, this is definitely a good investment, and I recommend Hemi owners to definitely get this. So pretty much for the most part, what I'm getting done to the engine, what I'm getting done to the car, if you want to say, mainly the engine. But what I'm getting done is a camshaft and a lifter upgrade. Usually most people, they'll go with the original camshaft and original lifters. But what I'm doing is I'm going to the Hellcat lifters, and I'm going to a stage 2 camshaft. And if y'all asking, it's BTR. You know what I'm saying? Brian Tooley Racing. So I'm gonna be upgrading all that, and with me having to do all that, of course you're gonna have to go into the engine. And once you go into the engine, you're breaking the seals of all the gaskets. So I'm getting all the gaskets replaced and everything. So yeah, getting that taken care of. The reason why I decided to go with the camshaft and lifter upgrade is because, I mean, it's an ex-police car. Let's be for real. Ex-police cars, they have hella idle hours. So I don't know, like I said, where it's at exactly. I just know my car has 149,000 miles, about to touch its 150,000 mark. Basically half milestone mark for these engines. You know, they're notorious for the cams failing, and then the lifters eating at each other. I don't want that, so I'm trying to prevent that and everything. So we're gonna get that taken care of. But as I'm doing all of that, why not just go with an upgrade? So getting that taken care of, and then probably further down the road, go with shorty headers, and then you never know. What's good, y'all? Back it again. Different day, different time setting, as you can tell. It's 7 in the morning. But what we're doing is we're taking a car to go get dropped off, and to start the process of the Hellcat lifters, shorty tube headers, and if I'm not mistaken, a tune. So yes, I'm gonna take care of that right now. But what I just wanted to let y'all know is that, like I said, I'm really doing this just to make sure and know what I'm working with the ex-police car, because I had bought this car at 128,000 miles, and she currently has 150,721 miles. So with that being said, most people, you know, they just say the hell with it, pro-charge or supercharge the engine. Me, I wanted to go FBO, full bolt on, and part of that is changing the camshaft. So like I said, stage 2 BTR cam. To be honest, I'm not sure what exactly stage cam it is, but I know it's BTR, Brian Tooley Racing. So yeah, we're gonna get that taken care of and all that, man. But no further ado, y'all just keep watching, man. Goddamn, y'all stay tuned.
There we go.
Oh boy.
Yeah, she clean.
Hell yeah.
She clean.
I appreciate that, brother.
Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? Back at it again. Different day. Finally got her back out of the shop and everything, and my apologies about the video for being all over the place. I was just trying to get my point across. But for the most part, yeah, man, she's shopping, man. You know what I'm saying? Definitely T. So just gonna hit y'all with a cold start this morning. It's like 44 right now, so let's get it, man. Finally took my car to work, but I'm up here at Tech and everything. Just letting y'all know, man. For the most part, I'm highly satisfied with the 5.7 build, man. You know, fully bolt on. Now she is, and I want to give a special thanks to Danny, shop owner of Tech Automotive, and then Ben, who built this beast of a machine into a deadly beast of a machine. But yeah, nah. Mostly shouts out to Ben, man, cause he put his sweat and tears into this engine, man. I don't know about blood. I'm pretty sure he spilled a little bit of blood, but for the most part, man, y'all see it. I'm gonna be doing a video on what I recommend camming a 5.7 RT or not, but for the most part, man, y'all see it. If anything, y'all have a blessed one. And no further ado, man, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. More videos will be on the way and everything. But for the most part, yeah, tap in.
Ice wizard, dressed like I'm finna fish your bitch, tryna come with. Damn.